UPS. Lie on the floor, feet on the floor, knees up and hands crossed on your chest. Have someone hold your feet down, or wedge them underneath something heavy. Do crunches. Lie on the floor with or without a mat, with your arms in front of your chest or with your hands lightly touching your temples, never behind your head. Bend your knees. Raise your shoulders, upper torso toward your knees, using strictly your abdominal muscles. Step 3. Do leg lifts. Lie on the floor, legs straight out, hands at your side. Lift your legs straight up, not bending your knees at all until they're at a 90-degree angle or close. Lower your legs and repeat without letting your legs touch the floor. Step 3. Do leg lifts. Lie on the floor, legs straight out, hands at your side. Lift your legs straight up, not bending your knees at all until they're at a 90-degree angle or close. Lower your legs and repeat without letting your legs touch the floor. 4. Do jackknife sit UPS. Lie down flat with your back on the floor. Place your hands on the ground to your side for balance. You can pick them up as you get used to the movement. Simultaneously raise your knees, then torso so that your knees and Step 5. Try but UPS. Start in the push-up positions, except with your elbows and forearms on the floor. With your elbows and forearms resting on the ground, slowly move your gloves as high up into the air as possible. Your body will look like a mountain, with your gloves being the peak. Slowly lower the gloves back down into the starting position.